Hey, welcome to my Freedom Blueprint review. Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind, but feel overwhelmed by complicated business models? Today, we're diving into the Freedom Blueprint, a system by Philip Johansen that claims you can set up a profit-ready business in just 15 minutes. Is it actually possible for beginners? Let's find out. What is Freedom Blueprint? The Freedom Blueprint is a plug-and-play training system focused on affiliate marketing. Unlike other courses that require months of building websites, this focuses on the world's largest traffic app, basically using short-form video and images on social media to drive traffic to high-ticket offers. The goal? Commissions between 50% and 75% without you ever having to create a product or handle customer support. Key features and bonuses, here's what you're actually getting. AZ video training, over-the-shoulder videos showing exactly how to pick niches and find offers. The 15-minute setup, a streamlined process designed for people with zero tech skills are needed. Huge bonus bundle. Philip includes bonuses valued at over $7,000, including his $1, $5 K a day training and resell rights so you can promote the blueprint itself for extra income. The pros and cons? The pros? It's incredibly low risk, $12 with a 30-day money-back guarantee. It's perfect for beginners because it uses organic traffic. The cons, you have to be consistent. This isn't set and forget. You need to post daily. Also, while the $5 K a day claims are the goal, remember that your results depend entirely on your effort. Final verdict, if you have more time than money and want a structured step-by-step path into affiliate marketing, the Freedom Blueprint is a solid entry point. It cuts out the fluff and gets you straight to the traffic. If you're ready to ditch the 9 to 5, check the link in the description to grab it while the bonuses are still live. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.